So progesterone in women. You like progesterone.
I love prescribing progesterone. Progesterone makes women sleep better. And almost every woman who comes to my practice in that perimenopausal or menopausal stage, they're just having a hard time sleeping. So the progesterone helps them sleep, and that's what they like. But what they don't know is it also protects against breast cancer, protects against uterine cancer. Synergistically with estrogen, it helps bone health, cardiovascular health, and cerebral vascular health. So it's really, and mood. Of course, it elevates mood as well. So we got mood, bone health, breast health, preventing cancer. It's a great hormone to supplement.
So you say it's the feel-good hormone.
It is one of the feel-good hormones, along with both thyroid and testosterone are both feel-good hormones as well. Progesterone is usually not given by itself; it's usually given in combination with estrogen. And so if you take the estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, whatever's deficient, and you balance them, sleep is often noticeably better. I recently had a patient that just prescribed a combination of those three, actually, estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, and thyroid. Her biggest complaint was, I can't sleep, night sweats, I'm tired, and that's making her fatigued, irritable, and whatnot. We got those things in balance, and really in a matter of days, she started sleeping better. And I think that's predominantly the progesterone that kicks in that fast, because the other ones take a little bit longer to balance and to have their effect.